how you can calculate the GPA and like how many points you get in some classes?
That was a previous lesson, but that wasn't what we talked about on Tuesday, Carlos.
Oh, here.
Clubs and your life and then like what you can do to keep on like during college when you're off or during the year.
Right, extracurricular activities. Somebody give me an example of something that you can do in college besides just take classes. What is the extracurricular activity that you can do? John?
Play sports.
Play sports.
Sororities and the other one, I can't remember the name of that.
Fraternity.
Sororities and fraternities. Javel. Clubs. Beth.
Clubs.
You said clubs. You got another one?
Soccer's.
What about
There's different types of clubs. Zion.
that
Networking. Clubs and extracurricular activities help you to
and
network.
art
That's right.
and that art thing?
I was gonna say.
It says something about art.
Art clubs?
Yeah.
Art clubs.
I was
Okay.
gonna say that.
Okay, very good. So today's lesson is 7 and 8. Can someone read objective 1 for me? Zion? Yes.
Describe the ideal college.
Describe the ideal college applicant. So today we're going to be learning about things that have to do with
College.
being the most well-rounded student so that you can get accepted into college. Somebody name maybe like 1 or 2 different things that you may think college looks for when you're applying for college. Beth.
Grades.
Grades.
Your academics that you do in school, like what you do in school, like sports and stuff,
Okay.
and like theater and stuff.
Academics, extracurricular activities. What
Like the
else?
classes you already took.
Classes that you took, whether that be honors, whether that be AP, whether that be regular classes. That's one more.
Your like extracurricular, like helping out people and stuff like that.
Yeah, extracurricular activities, I think y'all said earlier. Very good. Number 2. Marcus, can you read that for me, please?
Eventually
Evaluate.
evaluate, I can stop
Misconceptions.
misconceptions about college and
Assesses.
what college graduates do to prepare for college.
Do to prepare for college. What are some misconceptions do you think? Some things that you think that you know about college that may be misconceptions. John.
That community college or fake colleges.
Go ahead, what did you say?
That community colleges are fake colleges.
Okay, community college or fake colleges. Somebody give me another one. That's a myth. That's a myth, but I just wanted you guys to come up with things that you think may be myths that have to deal with college. And he's repeat what you just said, John. Repeat what you just said.
That community colleges are fake colleges.
Community colleges or fake colleges. Where did you hear that at?
This boy that goes to community college.
This boy that goes to community college. Okay. Jason, did you have another one? Another maybe misconception that you've heard about college?
What you call it? That no, I'm not gonna say it. It's okay.
Zion?
So racist.
That the classes there are like
Mila, your eyes is in the front of the building. Mila person, your eyes is in the front of the building.
Okay, so John came up with one which was community colleges are fake colleges, which is not true. at all. This means that, they're two-year colleges and they're different from the regular university or colleges that you may go to that are 4 years. So right now, I've placed a Venn diagram that we've done in a previous lesson, as everybody can see. And I want you to think about these questions as you fill out your Venn diagram. Pretty much on your place now, what you're going to do is you're going to answer these questions on the outer circle, and then your common answers are going to go in the circle. If you understand that, please put a thumbs up. If there's any confusions about that, I need to know.
Repeat the question and repeat what we have to do again, please.
I'm going to read out some questions to you that I want you to think about and give answers to. And then I want you to put the common answers in the circle. Or the most important answers. So if you guys have the same answer to that question, I want you to put it in the circle. In your group.
And if you have different answers, then you each put it in.
Put it on the outside.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, so I'm going to read out one question at a time. Give you guys a few minutes to discuss. And then we'll move on to the next one. So, how do you get into college? You guys can discuss briefly. How do you get into college? That's the first question. First question, how do you get into college?
Good grades, you know how to open them out.
Make sure you're writing your answers down on the outside.
Oh, yeah.
Not in the inside.
The inside. The inside. We also say that.
Outside.
Say line.
You ripped it up, so it really doesn't matter now.
No, that's only if you don't have not some papers in each.
These are fine.
Alright, we got some answers down for that one. Next question.
Next.
What things are true or false about all college students?
That they were.
What things are true or false? What things do you think are true about college students? What things do you think are false?
Oh, well, this is my square.
No, I just called you.
That you
Repeat that, please.
No, you're chewing on the law.
What things are true or false about all college students?
They bring.
False.
Alright, write the question
Something
down.
that is true.
The true statement would
College kids that.
be like they are especially
Students, college students.
they live in dorms. That's true.
I'm not here.
That they're separate. Black people and black people. That's false.
They get that on.
No.
Okay, so isn't it false that they
Alright, if you're ready to move on, put your hand up, or if you need more time.
That's false.
More time. More time.
Yeah, we got
Oh, another thing that's true. They don't eat.
You take that out of your mouth.
Carlos really stinks.
Okay, if you can hear me, your hands are on top of your head and you're facing forward. If you can hear me, your hands are on top of your head and you're facing forward. If you can hear me, your hands on your head.
I don't care.
Okay, last question. Last question. What are some things you learned about college from the media? The media, so that's TV, movies,